Good morning, you guys. It's your girl, Bernice Renee. Today is Sunday. It is Memorial Day is tomorrow, so whatever date that is. I just stopped by here because we just finished detailing. This is going to be my fourth car. So the first one was a Escalade, the second one was a Cube, the third one was an Altima, and this has been my this is my fourth truck. This one took the longest, but it was clean. It wasn't dirty. We were just honing in on the areas of focus that he wanted. So we just took our time to hone in. And it's Sunday morning. It's slow. We got up at 6. We got here at 7. So it's not. We wasn't rushing, to do a fast job. We really wanted to make it look like it was something. So I'll insert other video clips of the actual truck in the video. But I just stopped by to say that this is my new side hustle. This is my new way of making money, extra money, a lot more money when I don't have lashes. So like, I'll run you guys by how today's gonna go. So I woke up at 6. We had 2 details. We have this one at 7 and we have another one. It takes us 2 hours. So we have another one after this. And then I have lashes at 2 p.m. That's 150. So off rip, I made $199 from detailing the car, and I have lashes at 2, and I made $150. That right there is making $300 a day. That is the goal, to make $274 a day, but we just shoot for $300. That's the goal. So right there, I've already surpassed my goal. That's somebody's, honestly, over someone's check that they make. If someone makes $500 a week, that's over half of their check. So in Jesus' name, the momentum, just stays the way that it is. We build from there, and yeah, I'm excited. It's a good day. We're gonna have some fun later. I'm gonna work hard now, and then I am going to play later. We're gonna go skating. I'm enjoying myself. Little Ben's with my sister, Barry's still with her dad, and then my son, he's with my dad. So all the kids are gone. I have another free weekend, and ultimately I'm just grinding, y'all. I'm changing my life, getting that money, just the whole 9. So this was it. It was good. On to the next one.